So now let's try to add mutations to our GraphQL API. So we're gonna add mutation to add a review. We should take a text of type string and user ID of type string to return us a review. And let's also add an operation to delete review, which will take review ID type string. Let's update and add data sources for this mutations. To add review, I'm again gonna select a REST data source. Let's see how our add review works. So this is our add review service, which takes text and user ID as body JSONs. So I'm going to use this, and this is going to be add review of method post, and let's copy paste this. And instead of hard coding, I'm going to use the arguments supplied by users. I'm going to use Go templating syntax here. So let's see how we can do that. It's going to be dot arguments dot text, and it's going to be dot arguments dot user ID. Separate this, and let's add delete as well. So I'm gonna copy this service URL and paste it here, and use our review ID argument. And I'm gonna need in this delete review of method get, and I'm gonna enable mapping here because I need to map this field. So let's map this field here and update API. Now let's try to test this on our playground. Mutation, add review, add review, user ID 1, text review using UDG API. We're going to receive user ID, review ID, text, and user details. And let's try to use this add review, and it works. Now again, if we get user details, we see new user review inside our get user by ID query. Now let's try to delete this query again. Delete. So we're gonna try to delete this review. Delete review. I'm gonna delete first review by John Doe. So I'm gonna copy this. And let's see. So this should have worked, but for some reason it did not. Let's see why. Oh, okay, I used the wrong method. So now let's try again. So we're gonna copy this, and we're gonna delete this review, and review deleted. Let's again get user details, and we now only have one review. So we were successful to use mutations with our UDG API. Now in the next tutorial, let's see how we can secure this API, create policies for it, and also how we can publish it. Thank you.